Okay, we're gonna go explore the haunted tunnel. Not really that haunted, but it's pretty cool.
No, it's haunted.
We never went in it yet. I'm with
we saw it the other day during the day. We were like, we gotta wait till night to go into it.
Yeah, so, wait, get your phone out and show them what time it is.
It's
Look.
9:14 right now.
Okay.
And then we'll probably get there at like 9:20.
Okay, so we're gonna go right now. Guys, no joke, it's super foggy. You can't see the fog, but like, this is creepy.
Oh yeah, okay, I can fly. Dude, this looks so...
Bruh, there is so much fog, it's so creepy.
What the heck?
You can't really see it in the camera, but oh my gosh. We supposed to like, and like, we didn't go in or anything, but like, on the video, it's like,
Can you see the fog?
no,
You grabbed the big one, you didn't even grab the blue one.
but it's like super creepy because, no joke, I'm not lying. There's actually so much fog.
You didn't grab the blue one.
Oh, sorry.
I don't like that.
No, but this is actually creepy.
Come on.
Okay, so it says go back at the first tunnel.
Oh, look at that tunnel. What the heck? Oh,
Dude, that's so creepy.
let's go.
Here, turn on the brightest mode.
It is. What is that?
How do you know? No, oh yeah, you're right.
2, 3.
Okay, are you gonna go first or me? No, I'll go first.
The camera can't even reach that far.
Oh my gosh.
I just said it's not like you. You gotta make me go last.
What the heck? That was so creepy. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, dude. You just. Whoa, there's like a room.
Can you stand up at the end?
Look at that.
Hold on, what's down there?
Wait, what is this stuff?
I have no
The graffiti?
Look down there. Shine it down there.
Hold up, there's a freaking ladder up here.
Oh, no balls open that much.
Dude, I can't even see all the way down.
Let's go.
Okay, wait, go on.
How far does that go? No.
Here, wait,
Shine
hold up.
Shine it down here.
So we're getting up now. It's so creepy though. It's like echo. Oh my gosh. What if like all the water comes in?
If you see that's right, you should run.
What is?
I think that's just a movie.
Oh, I see the end. It's like a wall. I wonder if there's another tunnel.
Dude, what if we had 2 ways to go back to the road? Oh, I'm not sure.
What is this? Someone hit a golf ball. Dude, that's a treasure. We're keeping it.
Oh god, don't look behind.
Just don't. What is this?
What the heck?
Oh, there's water though. What? Wait. Are we?
Dude, are we like in a lake? Are we in a lake?
Oh god, no. Wait. Here. There is that self thing in the like pond thing.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this is so
What's
creepy.
this? What is this?
It's like a little
What
room.
is that? Dude, Peyton, you know what this is? The heck?
What is?
Turn up there. There's a spider. Oh well.
It smells so bad. It's like sewage.
Oh.
Okay.
Should we go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, let's go. What the frick? What was that? Was that you? You promise? Dude, hold up. I'm getting out. I don't even care. Oh my gosh, what was?
Dude, I don't know.
Was it you?
It wasn't me.
Was it you, man?
No, it wasn't me.
What? Is it a... Was it coming from the freaking...
I told you it was haunted.
Dude, it came from that freaking, like, thing up there.
I told you that thing was haunted.
What the
I splashed
heck?
water all on my face.
Dude, what was?
Holy.
It sounded like a freaking foot scrape. Footsteps? I don't even know.
Could have been a fish maybe in the water.
No.
I think it was
Because
loud.
it fell.
Dude, look, you can see the fog in the video.
Oh.
See all that fog? Guys, that was creepy. I don't know what that was.
Dude, you should tell us where you want us to go back. Like,
Okay, so we heard the screeching noise in the tunnel, but like after here, I'll do in slow motion right here. like that was super creepy. Like after you hear it, like in slow motion, we didn't like.
Wait, what? The sound?
Yeah, the sound. Did you hear
Yeah,
it?
I was in the back. Thanks.
Wait. Did you get it? Cause you're recording, right?
Maybe.
Wait. Send it to me and I'll put it in the video. If you're. Did you get it?
Here.
Okay, guys. This is Peyton's.
Here, let me turn the sound up.
This is his point of view. Okay, go back. I was talking. Like, it's so loud because he was in the back. What do you think? Do you still think it's a fish or were you joking?
Me?
Yeah, well, it's not a fish.
No, I thought like, cause like you know how it echoes in the, like
Yeah,
when we were talking, it echoed. Duh, cause it's a tunnel in it.
It sounded like a screech. Here, go.
Here, just can I slow it down anyway?
I'll slow it down.
Oh, okay.
I'll slow it down for you guys in a second. Okay, ready, set, go.